Today we're going to talk about cultural diversity and what it should look like here at Maxwell Elementary School. So first up, what is cultural diversity? Cultural diversity can be interchangeable with multiculturalism. It is a system of beliefs and behaviors that recognizes and respects the presence of all diverse groups in an organization or society, acknowledges and values their socio-cultural differences, and encourages and enables their continued contribution within an inclusive cultural context which empowers all within the organization or society. We want to work to empower all of our students and their families. Cultural diversity helps us recognize and respect ways of being that are not necessarily our own, so that as we interact with others, we can build bridges to trust, respect, and understanding across cultures. We want to work to build this trust and respect with all of our students and families so they feel like they belong. So what is our enrollment at Maxwell Elementary School? We have a 60% white population, 39% Hispanic, and 1% Black. So what are some things you could do in your classroom? You could be sensitive to students that speak another language. Help support them on their journey to speak the English language. Express interest in your students' backgrounds. Let them know that you care and are interested in them. Create a culture that celebrates differences. Let students discover these differences and share and feel part of the classroom community. Become a facilitator in the classroom. Let students learn from each other. Let students share about themselves with each other. Then students can see that they're really a lot more alike than they thought. I also want to encourage you to reach out to families. We can do this at our open house. Encourage participation from parents. Parent-teacher conferences is one way to develop those relationships with families and encourage them to come and advocate for their student. You could send home classroom newsletters to let parents and families know about what's happening within your classroom. Make positive phone calls and send mail home. This can be done at the beginning of the school year as well as throughout the year. Also communicate through Class Dojo. And anytime, translate when necessary so that it is provided in the language that is native to the parents. What are some things we could do as a school? We can have multicultural night to encourage families to come and students can share about different cultures and what they've learned. We can incorporate learning about various cultures into the curriculum, not just into social studies, but math and language arts as well. We can promote an inclusive environment where all students and families feel welcome. We can have guest speakers at our school-wide assemblies to help teach on the topic. We can hire bilingual staff to help these parents with communication so that way they can be involved with their students. Encouraging staff to get their ESL endorsement so we know better how to help all of our students. Here's my references. Let's do what we can to make Maxwell Elementary School more inclusive, and let's focus on cultural diversity and what we can do to support all of our students.